Greetings, YouTube. Bo Donahue here. Gosh, it's been forever since I've made a video, and it sounded very foreign to say that. Bo Donahue here. Since my last video, I have actually changed my last name to O'Donohue, which is my father's great-great-grandfather's name when he came over from Ireland. It was since anglicized, and my dad was adopted when he was a young lad. But I have changed it back. That was something my dad expressed interest in and just never went through with. Anyway, I'm here to, so my dad passed away 2 years, it's almost 2 years now, October, this October will be 2 years since he's passed. I think it was the 13th. But I've been in touch with Peterson Pipes about making a PipePastor Pipe in honor of my dad. And it's taken 2 years, but COVID slowed things down. But finally we got them in, and I'm doing an unboxing video. And normally I'm not patient enough to do this. So I'm also wearing my dad's ring. It's his pastoral ring. And this is the ring of Bara here that my girlfriend got me. Aragorn's ring. So here I am. I'm doing an unboxing. I'm waiting patiently for this. It is my dad's PipePastor Pipe by Peterson. Sorry, I can't have music on here anymore. YouTube doesn't seem to like people playing free music. All of my videos kept getting taken down. To open. Yes. I just love Peterson's new boxes. The special pipes come in. They just feel so high quality compared to their old ones. They got this really nice texture. Real heavy. This really nice suede bag. Oh, mine actually came with a stem in it. Oh my goodness, it's huge! You can't tell how big this is, but my hands are gigantic. I'm 6'3". Big hands, and this thing is enormous. I got to wipe down the silver a little bit on this stem, but it says PipePastor right on the silver there. My webcam is awful. I apologize, but across here it says PipePastor. Did this to look like kind of a preacher's collar, a little bit. Black shirt. Silver has been the metal my dad has favored and jewelry because it's the redeeming metal. It stands for redemption. That's why they use it in like vampire lore. It's also symbolizes the blood of Jesus. But yeah, we got this big old silver band here. It goes all the way around. Acrylic stem with the silver P on it, the metal P. And this thing is gigantic. I'm gonna smoke for the first time tonight with my brother. He just got his in too. The Lore Pastor is my brother's moniker on YouTube. And this is Peterson's house pipe. They have, I think, 2 different house pipe shapes. One's bent, and this one is straight, obviously. And it's just gigantic. It's called a house pipe because it's for smoking at home. It's so big you're not going to take it around with you. But it's definitely something my dad would freak out about. He would absolutely love this. He has gigantic pipes. I inherited his pipes. And if you've watched his videos, his pipes were enormous. And this is just the kind of pipe my dad would freak out about. And we took some liberties with what we can do with Peterson and in styles and stuff. I mean, my dad was not, super hot on this, the military bit, the military fittings, but we are, and that's what we can do with Peterson, and it turned out fantastic. I love it. It's perfect. I think it's a lot more practical. You don't have to worry about the stem. But anyway, I'm being technical, but this truly is special. It's truly an honor that we were able to do this with Peterson, and I'm just so thankful. My brother and I miss our dad so much. A man he was such a giant of a man, in personality and in stature, strong as an ox, but his faith was even stronger, and he was so genuine. You know this if you've seen his videos. He's a genuine and larger than life, and loved hard, and he loved pipes. And he loved talking to everyone on his channel and preaching the gospel and sharing his love of Tolkien and Ireland and good food and drink. And this is a great piece to honor him with. I miss him. I miss him so much. Well, anyway, I got number 2. I made sure my brother got number 1. He's the firstborn, and secondborn. And Aaron Thompson got number 3, and he was my dad adopted him as one of his sons. And hopefully he's getting his in soon as well. And thank you for watching. It's been a while. There's a lot that has happened since you've seen me last, and maybe I'll fill you in on another video. But the PipePastor Pipe. If you haven't ordered one yet, there are a couple left on Peterson's website. I'll throw a link underneath the video to get one. We were going to run 3 batches, but these sold unfortunately slower than anticipated, and so Glenn Whalen was not sure that they wanted to do a second or third batch. From a business standpoint, I understand that. So whatever's left is what they've got. Last I heard a few days ago was 8 left. So if you want one of these, I would recommend you pick it up quickly, because that's all there's going to be. And it is a wonderful pipe. I think it was around 180 US dollars, including shipping, which was less than what we were expecting. And yeah, this is fantastic. So thank you all for loving my dad. Thank you for watching me. And in October, just send a prayer out for my family as we remember my dad and mark that occasion that we lost him. But he gained a great reward that day, and so it's also a day to be thankful. October 13th. So maybe we can turn that into a feast day and do special things to remember him on that day. That would be fun. And those that have the PipePastor Pipe we can like do videos and pictures or whatever. So anyway, love you all. Sorry for rambling. I haven't done this in a while, so anyway, God bless you all, and let's launch it.